Horses out, one slow out, 30-30, we have a Yellow Citizen past to begin. Dizzy Bing now moving upon the outside to take the leader. Dizzy Bing by about 2 lengths, Yellow Citizen in second. Down on the inside, third, Perfectionist, then followed by Kick the Can. Alongside Flawless, down on the inside, King Theodore, 30-30. Then followed over by entry number 9, Yellow Capta. Then comes entry number 7, Platinum Lance. And Lifetime is the early trailer. We have Dizzy Bing by about 2.5 lengths. King Theodore now moving up to take second. And in third, moving up on the outside now is entry number 10, Flawless. Down on the inside now is 30-30. Perfectionist comes next. And that's still Dizzy Bing by about 2 lengths, King Theodore. Then here comes the Yellow Citizen. Now trying to get closer on the outside, 30-13 fourth. Then comes Platinum Lance, Yellow Cat Flawless. Dizzy Bing, King Theodore moving up, Yellow Citizen on the outside. The last they come down at the last 150. Yellow Citizen now takes the lead. King Theodore, Danorim, now is Platinum Lance. We have Yellow Citizen, Platinum Lance, King Theodore on the outside. Yellow Citizen, Platinum Lance, King Theodore, entering the finish line. It's going to be Platinum Lance, King Theodore. Then comes Yellow Citizen, Flawless, 30-30.
7-4.
10-6.